Okay, guys, I hope you're enjoying the sessions. The next up, we'll be talking about the Miracle Accelerator. Okay, guys, so let's start with understanding what Miracle Marketplace is all about. Okay, so the first thing is it provides the platform to multiple sellers wherein they can come and give the offers for available products. And those products will be readily available for the customers or consumers of their e-commerce platform, wherein they can see a specific product and all the available offers which are given by suppliers onto the marketplace. So that's the whole idea. Now, Miracle Marketplace really allows business to quickly launch their online marketplace. Okay, they don't have to start from scratch building that particular platform, understanding technical implementation. It really takes a lot of time and effort, right? And it really helps in reducing time to market, which is so critical for any business. Okay, it offers a flexible platform that can be customized to the specific business needs. And in the end, Miracle provides a secure platform that really helps to ensure that all the communication and transactions happening between the buyers and suppliers are very secured. Okay, so that's a whole idea about the Miracle Marketplace. Okay, so now since we have gone through about Miracle and we have clear with the thought process of what marketplace is all about, now let's try to understand the problem statement and its solution, an overview of the solution, right? So there is absolutely no doubt that Miracle really helps businesses to excel and to come up into the market quickly and launch their own marketplace, which really gives them competitive edge into the market with other competitors. But let's accept it. It's this integration with Miracle of existing e-commerce platform is not straightforward. It requires a good technical knowledge and it really needs to understand both the system that is Commerce Tools and Miracle, that is their software development kit, their APIs, their technical components, which requires again time and attention and a lot of skill set over there, right? So all this again may lead to the increase in time to market for business. They can further reduce it. It could have been great by which we could have another connector in place in between Miracle Marketplace and e-commerce platform that could take care of all the complexities, right? And this could be leveraged by using the capabilities of both the systems, their API, their SDK. Businesses don't need to put in efforts again and again for integration or for modification of their specific business needs. They can directly should be able to use some connector. That's the whole idea. We, as a Royal Sabre, built that connector that can help business to quickly integrate those two systems, which we'll talk about in the upcoming slides. I hope the idea behind what was the issue and how we're going to address that issue is clear from this particular side. Okay, so now let's talk about the benefits of Miracle Accelerator. Okay, we have briefly discussed about this in the previous slides as well, but let's quickly go through it once again. So the whole idea was to save businesses to invest their time in understanding both the systems, their SDK, their APIs, and everything, right? So this accelerator will take care of hiding all the technical integration complexities between those two systems. They can simply configure those two systems, provide few properties, and they're good to go to integrate those two systems. So it's really make life easy, and it will increase the their probability of launching the marketplace in quick time. So it really helps building a marketplace using the features of both Miracle and Commerce Tools, which is a great advantage, and it hides the complexity of that integration. It automates the process of syncing of products and order between those two systems, and we can see that the real-time data sync take place in between those two systems with this accelerator. So overall we can say that whatever we discussed till now, it results in ultimate customer experience by leveraging the capabilities of both Commerce Tools as well as Miracle systems, their APIs, their SDKs, but businesses need not to worry about all of those things. So that was about few of the benefits I would like to talk about in this slide. Thank you. Okay, so now let's talk about the most interesting part of this section, that is features provided by Miracle Accelerator. Okay, the first one is product sync from Miracle to the Commerce Tools. What exactly it means is whenever any product gets created onto the Miracle Marketplace, it automatically gets synced into the e-commerce platform, that is in Commerce Tools. So it not only syncs the product, but its categories, product type, products, and various other things which are required for product to get synced in to the respective e-commerce platform. Now, if I talk about the second one, the second feature, which is fetch prices in real time from Miracle. So whenever a supplier want to give any offer for any product over there, then they'll go to the Miracle platform, they'll look for that product and say, okay, fine, he want to sell this particular product in this much price, or this is the offer they want to give onto this particular product. So, and when the end customer lands onto the PLB on PDB page of their e-commerce application, they straight away see all the offers provided by all the sellers for given product which they are interested in, right? So it straight away fetches the prices in real time from Miracle system. Okay, so that's the high level idea I wanted to talk about this feature. Now, the last one, but not the least, which is syncing of order between Commerce Tools and Miracle. So, during the journey of the customer from their e-commerce application, the details, of course, are going into the e-commerce tools. So, whenever they are happy with the product and the offer which has been given by supplier, they'll continue to the checkout and then create the order into the commerce tools. And as soon as the order gets created into commerce tools, it will go to the Miracle platform. So that's how it is all about. So both the systems are always in sync. Okay, and rest of the work of delivering this order and everything will be taken care by supplier onto the Miracle platform directly. Okay, so everything will be in sync, and that's the best part of this accelerator. So this is a very high level idea about Miracle accelerator features. Okay, we'll further see it more detail in the upcoming slides with a demo. Okay, so this is the interesting one, right? It's very high level system integration overview, which shows you, or whatever we discussed in the previous slide, it will give you a complete idea end to end how this accelerator fits into the overall picture, right? So we have this supplier over here at the right hand side, and they'll create the product or they'll give the offer on an existing product into the Miracle system. As soon as the product gets created, it will go into the commerce tools using this Royal Sabre accelerator. You can see over there the product sync service, right? So this is part of the accelerator, a service provided by the accelerator. So those products which are in Miracle or which got created into Miracle get synced into the commerce tools, and it straight away becomes available to the end users, that is customers on the left hand side, onto their web application or their e-commerce application. Now once the customer, let's say customer lands onto the product landing page, there they see multiple products over there, and then they see the product of their interest, they click on that particular product, right? After that, they should be able to see the price of that particular product. Now here's the interesting part. So there can be multiple suppliers who would like to sell this product, and they have their own offers. Someone is selling it in $10, someone is selling it in $11 or $9, whatever, right? So based on that, they give their offers for same product onto the Miracle platform. Now when customers goes and see the details of the product, he will be able to see the offers of all the suppliers for same product on the same page, and those prices of the product will be fetched in real time from the Miracle system. So it gives a very good idea to the customer, and he can take the decision that which offers he or she would like to continue with this process, right? Now, once the user is selected the offer for the given product of their interest, they'll go ahead and go with the checkout and order process, right? And as soon as the order gets created, it will get again synced into the Miracle system using the Royal Sabre accelerator. We can see the service over there for the order sync as well. So I hope this must have given you an overview and a high level idea of end-to-end integration and where exactly this accelerator is fitting into the overall scenario of e-commerce journey of the user. Okay, we'll continue with the demo now. Okay, to start with, let me set up the context. So I have created a project into the commerce tools, which is, let's say, just to give the demo, Miracle Integration Project New. And this project has absolutely no products. If you see categories, it doesn't contain any categories as such. One second. So come on, yeah. So there are no categories, and if we see the product types and attributes, a little bit slower today. Yeah. So if we see here, there are no product types or any attributes over here. Okay. Also, if we check out one more thing, that there are no project setting as well. So it is absolutely empty. You don't see any taxes, any shipping method, channels, store, nothing over here, right? Absolutely nothing. So it's a brand new commerce tools project which is just created for the demo, right? So now what I'll do is I'll trigger this API. Okay. So right now what we have done is uh, we just build this API and deploy it over there, but we can always schedule this hit onto this particular API, let's say in certain 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 24 hours, as per the need of business. But for now, for the demo perspective, I'll just hit it manually from here. And okay, so let me do that first. What happened? Yeah. So now service has been hit. So this is in progress. So eventually what will going to happen is, by the way, this is a Miracle platform, right? So all the products which are available into this Miracle platform, they will be syncing into the commerce tools in this project which we have created, right? So the accelerator has been configured to contain the configuration of both Miracle platform as well as commerce tools platform. And we have specifically mentioned the configuration of this project so that the products will which are available into the Miracle platform get synced into the this Commerce Tools platform. So let me try to refresh it once. If we got anything over here, we can see that, right? So the sync started happening. So we have the product started coming from Miracle to the e-commerce. It is still in progress. It is just showing the 6 products right now. But you see these things over here. The categories getting created behind the scene, right? Yeah, categories getting created behind the scene, and you will also see the project settings. Okay, so if we go here, it will also create all the configuration like taxes, shipping methods, channels, stores. So all those informations, okay, there are no stores right now. Probably it will get synced in some time. But the channels and everything, all those informations are coming from the Miracle platform only in the same e-commerce platform or in the same commerce tools project which we just created, right? So that is the quick demo how those information of products will come from Miracle to the commerce tools. See, it is now, right? So this process will keep on going. Okay, so that is a brief idea about it. And of course, the products, as soon as a product gets created into Miracle, it will this accelerator need to be triggered through some cron job maybe, or every 24 hours, every 10 minutes, whatever it could be decided by the business. So that was a high level demo of this product sync service. Okay, we'll go to the next demo. Again, let me set up the context that we have built this storefront application to showcase a demo over there, right? And we've seen the products which were got sync in Miracle. That sync is completed now, and we have 314 products available, right? And they all came from Miracle only. And if I show you, I mean, just to showcase this demo, there are multiple categories over there into the categories, but just to showcase this demo, we have restricted only one category products to be displayed onto the US. So just to make it easy to understand. Okay, so you can see multiple categories are over here. And for this furnitures category inside this Miracle integration project, which we created previously, uh, we can see there are 4 products available of which we got from the Miracle. And you also notice over here, there are no associated prices for any of those products. If I click on, let's say, Royal Dining Table product prices, we see that there are no prices available for this particular product into the commerce tool system, which is a backend for this e-commerce application, right? So if I click on the furnitures over here in the e-commerce application, I see all those 4 products which I was showing you previously, right? And the commerce tools, which is, um, come on, these four products, right? Royal wardrobe, dining table, and XYZ over there, right? So these four products are over there. You also notice that images are also coming from the Miracle itself. Okay, so everything is coming from Miracle. Now let's say as a end user, I land onto the this storefront and I wanted to buy a product. Let's say Royal Dining Table. Okay, so that's a PLP page, product landing page. So I'm interested in buying this particular product. I click on this and I straight away see that the offers which is provided onto this particular product by one seller is this $400 over here, right? So let me update it a bit. Let me play around so that I can show you this demo and make it more interactive. So I logged into the Miracle platform, okay, and I will search for this product since it came from Miracle only. So dashboard. Okay, so this offer is sold by supplier RC Seller 1, okay, which is RC Seller 1. I have switched the supplier to RC Shop 2, okay. So this is a supplier who would like to give an offer onto this particular product. Currently, there are no offers available for this product. If I click on add an offer on behalf of this supplier as a supplier and I search for this product, I am able to see this Royal Dining Table available into Miracle. So I'll just add an offer over here as a supplier, and I say, let's say, for example, I want to sell this product into $390. Okay, and I create an offer here. As soon as I do it, and the customer again will go to the furniture, let's say, or just refresh the page, whatever, he or she is straight away should be able to see that offer onto his platform itself, right? So that was a quick demo I wanted to show in which the offer, again, you might have noticed that there are no offers available. We on the prices available into commerce tools, these prices are coming in real time from the Miracle using the real time sync or real time price fetching service, or a connector, which is used for integration between Miracle and to the commerce tools. Hope you like this demo. We'll move on to the next demo from now. Okay, so now since we're clear with the two features of the accelerator, which is product sync from Miracle to commerce tools and fetching the offers in real time for the end user of the e-commerce application from the Miracle for the specific product of his or her choice. Now, coming on to the third part of the demo, which is order sync from Miracle, from commerce tools to Miracle, right? So now, if you see, we've seen this, right? So we had created an offer of 390 USD for this particular product into the Miracle, and that same offer could be seen by the user. Now I've logged in this application and would like to continue with this particular offer from this particular seller. So I'll add this product to the cart and I continue with the process of checkout, and I'll fill in the details of the customer, selecting country as United States because text has been configured for that country only, and I enter phone number. I'll keep it simple. Shipping method is standard, which is 0, and I use the same address for shipping. I continue payment and I'll make a cash on delivery. Okay, so this will create an order for me. So this order was just created by this customer onto the e-commerce platform. We should be able to see this order. That is the only order available into this Miracle demo project which I have created in Commerce Tools. Let me refresh it. Mm, yeah. So this is the order which was just created for $390, as we just saw, right? If I open this order here, I will be able to see all the details, its state, shipping information, billing information, and the details of given line item over there. And if you go further, we will be able to see the details over here as well. So this order has been created in Commerce Tools. Now, using the connector, it will get cascaded into the uh, Miracle as well, right? So let's see. I'll click on order. Let me copy this order ID once again and search it into the Miracle for this seller. We're working with this seller, right? So where is that? So see, this is the order which you just created, ending with 0329, 0329, right? So this has been sent to the Miracle. Now the supplier can always open this order, review the order, take necessary action for the same, and then he can accept or reject the same from here, which will further be sent to back to the commerce tools. Okay, so that is the whole idea. That's all I wanted to cover as part of this particular demo. So we have covered all the three features in detail with the demo. Hope you like it. In case if you have any further queries, feel free to reach out to us.